Greetings, healthy people. I know you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about 10 health benefits of pineapple skin you should know. We are all guilty of these. Guilty or not guilty? Oh, I'm sorry. That's not what we want to talk about. We are not in the law court. But do you realize that those pineapple skin that you peel and throw them away really have health benefits that your body requires? Pineapple is one of the most common foods in the world due to its numerous health benefits, but many people are unaware that pineapple peels still have numerous advantages. Pineapple fruit is also known as Ananas commosus, and it belongs to the family of edible fruits. It grows best in tropical climates, but because of its sweet and delicious flavor, it grows all over the world. Aside from the nutritious benefits of pineapple juice, fermented pineapple skin drink has many advantages. This is due to the presence of vitamin B, C, foliage, thymus, pantothenic acid, bromelain, niacin, and fiber in pineapple peel. It's also high in minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper, manganese, calcium, iron, and other vitamins and minerals. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and anti-cancer properties are also present in pineapple peels. That is not all. It is also high in antioxidants, which will protect your body and resist free radicals, which can cause a variety of disease. You should never throw away pineapple skin, not after this video. Below, we are going to discuss 10 benefits of pineapple skin peels that men and especially women should be aware of. To start with, number 1, it has anti-inflammatory properties. One of such anti-inflammatory property is bromelain. It is a potent enzyme found in abundance in pineapple tissue. Aids the reduction of inflammation in the body. It helps to relieve swelling after surgery or after an accident. See, it's very, very good. That takes us to benefits number 2. It helps in digestion. Not only can the peel aid digestion, but they also aid in fighting against intestinal parasites and constipation. They also help to maintain a balanced gut flora. So never throw it away. That takes us to the next benefits of pineapple peel, which is point number 3. Pineapple peel helped in immune system booster. It boosts your immune system. Pineapple peel and its skin contains a lot of vitamin, especially vitamin C, which helps to avoid and combat infections. Bromelain and vitamin C have antibacterial, mucus cutting, cough suppressants, wound healing, and overall system boosting properties. That is why you should never throw the pineapple peel away. It is not a waste. For those who have arthritis and pains in their nails, point number 4 is very important. Please listen. Pineapple peels, as we have said before, has a property called bromelain, and bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties help those with inflammations, especially joint pains, also to reduce and thereafter cure it. So drink the juice of pineapple peels, and when you do so, it will be able to target the cause of discomfort, and of course will solve that problem and health issue for you. That takes us to point number 5. Vision safeguarded. Yes, Beta carotene and vitamin C are two of the many advantages of pineapple skin peel tea. They are found in the plants that helped in the treatment of degenerative eye disorder such as glaucoma. Pineapple peels really helps. If you have glaucoma, do not look for medicine all over the world. You have what it takes. Go with pineapple peels tea and it will solve it for you. Point number 6. Pineapple peels improve and strengthen your bones and your teeth because it has what we call manganese, and it has this in abundance in pineapple skins. So manganese aids in the growth of strengthening and restoring of bones and teeth. It helps the gum to stay safe, and its nutrition in the vitamin C also help to strengthen these properties, to strengthen this part of our bodies. So thanks to vitamin C and astringent properties in the peel of pineapple. With those who want to avoid cancer or who are battling with cancer, this may also interest them. Point number 7. It is an anti-cancer. Pineapple skin are high in manganese, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which can help fight tumor of any kind and prevent cancer. So, if you are looking to living healthy and avoiding being cancerous, please consider boiling pineapple peel and drinking it. It helps. Another thing, which is point number 8, is that blood sugar pressure will be held in check. Bromelain prevents blood clots from developing, and pineapple peel juice copper content promotes the production of healthy red blood cells. Potassium in it also helps to keep blood vessels open and can even out a high level of sodium keep blood pressure in check also. So you have nothing to lose. The potassium in it helps in blood vessels to be open and can, even out high levels of sodium, keeping your blood pressure in check. What a wonderful properties it has. And for women who are suffering from inability to conceive, take note of points number 9. It assists in conception. Pineapples peel beta carotene and bromelain compounds that are present there are beneficial to people who are attempting to conceive. It helps to establish an optimal environment for implantation by reducing inflammation in the womb. So if you are looking forward to having a baby as a woman, please consume it. For point number 10, which is the last, it enhances libido. The juice extracts from pineapple peel boost libido. It's a natural way to reclaim your sex rhythm without the hassles. This tasty peel also help to encourage healthier skin, and your hair will be healthier too. It helps to reduce weight loss. It helps for nausea relief. It helps with acne and pimples reduction. In addition to curing intestinal worm, hydrating the scalp, and avoiding hair loss, there are a lot of other advantages. Now let's talk about how to make pineapple juice. To do that, you need to follow this simple step. The ingredients are a whole pineapple, this time unpeeled, 1 liter of water, and a natural sweetener so as to make it taste. Now let's talk about the procedure. First, wash the pineapple and then peel it. Separate the peel from the flesh. Thereafter, put the peel in a pan or a pot filled with the water that is measured already, 1 liter of water, and then add some pineapple pulp, then boil them together. Dilute the mixture in a liter of water and add natural sweetener to improve its taste. Of course, by so doing, the sweet, delicious peel, of course, will be ready for use. And when you drink it and consistently do it, you have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. This is my video for today. If you have not done so, please kindly show some love, subscribe to this channel, and by so doing, you also benefit because we give out what is healthy. See you on the next video, and bye.